बुधवार दीस सावन पोरण्या गोवा सेंट फ्रांसिस झेवियराच्या फेस्ताक सुरवात जाली। म्हणटकीच क्रिसमस लागीं पाविल्ल्याची चाहूल लागता आनी गोंयकार क्रिसमसाचे तयारेक लागता। क्रिसमसाचे खाशेलेपण नखेत्रां आनी गोठो तयार करपाक क्रिस्तांव भाव सुरवात करतात। नखेत्रां तयार करपाचे सांगाडे आनी गोठे तयार करपाचे सामान आतां बाजारांत उपलब्ध जावपाक सुरवात जाल्या। अशा तरेचे सामान बाजारांत दिश्टी पडटात। सणसुदीचे दिसांची चाहूल लागपाक सुरवात जाता। लोकांनी व्हडा उमेदीन क्रिसमसाची खरेदी करपाक आतां सुरवात केल्या।
Hello, I'm Fazila and I live in Alpine, and we are all excited about Christmas and the preparation has started. We have started preparing for Christmas, and as you can see, we just went to buy all the decorations. And normally in my house I put up my Christmas tree on the 15th, and on 15 onwards I start preparing all my Christmas trees.
We are from Chances Resort and Casino at Donapora, and we are here in this festive season to bring in the joys and comfort of Christmas. So we are shopping for our Christmas tree, our hotel decorations, and we're getting ready to be in the spirits of Christmas. With luck, good health and happiness to all of us.